Make sure you're covered. So, way too often people wait too long to get long term care insurance. And a couple things you have to be healthy in order to qualify to get it. So, some people think to get it once they have an incident, but you really want to be prepared ahead of time. Hi, I'm Hillary, and today we're going to talk about long term care insurance and what you need to know. So, what is long term care insurance? A lot of people don't even know it exists. It's a separate type of insurance benefit to specifically cover any type of catastrophic illnesses, long term diagnosis, dementia care. It covers any type of care at home if you're recovering from an injury, or let's just say that you get to a point where you need some extra assistance just with things like bathing or dressing or mobility, things that you just might need at home that can help you age at home longer and more independently. It will also cover if it's time and you've decided it's time to move into an assisted living community. It will also help cover those expenses. It covers what typical insurance does not. We get so many calls, people asking if this is covered by Medicare. It is not, unfortunately. In the policies, it often will also cover certain types of equipment like wheelchairs, hospital beds, other types of needs that you may find you have in the future. So when is a good time to get long-term care insurance? As soon as possible. I'd say if you are even thinking about long-term care insurance, usually you probably had a family member, maybe your parents, you see them struggling and you really wish they had had it, or you see the benefits of them using it. Typically people tend to really consider getting this in their late 50s, but you really want to get it while you're healthy. If you have a pre-existing condition, you won't qualify. So I would say if you're healthy, you're over 50, absolutely look into getting a long-term care insurance plan. So when to activate it? We have so many clients that have long-term care insurance and they got it so long ago, they don't even remember what they had it for or what the benefits are for. Some people think it's only to move into a community and don't realize you can get all those same benefits just staying in your home, comfortable, getting services like ours at Home Helpers. But the qualifiers of when you would be able to activate your claim is when you're needing at least assistance with two of those activities of daily living. That's bathing, it's continence care, it could be transferring, it could be mobility, it could be grooming, assistance with dressing and undressing, or if it's just mental impairment. It could be from dementia, could be Parkinson's causing some, problems that would qualify you. Just at any point you're needing that extra assistance, it's time to activate the claim, and your doctor can also assist in getting that started. So what are some important tips to know about long-term care insurance policies? When you're looking for one, number one, make sure you get a very reputable insurance broker to let you know the different ratings for all the different providers out there. They have different ratings. You don't want to go with an insurance provider, obviously, that has historically raised the premiums consistently year after year. So try to get one of those AAA ratings, and your insurance broker can certainly help you track those down. So number two, there is a clause called the elimination period, and that is basically where you're going to have to pay out of pocket for services until the claim gets activated. Sometimes that's 30, 60, 90 days you have to pay out of pocket. Oftentimes that goes down to 0 days when you are getting care at home versus going into a community. So look at what is that elimination period. Number three, also look at what is that benefit amount. Is it a daily, weekly, monthly benefit? And what is that amount? Is that a realistic amount for what the average hourly care is for home care? Is that going to really give you enough care you need? Let's say it's a daily amount for $200. You just want to know what are those benefit amounts and give yourself some room with that. And you also want to make sure there's an inflation rider that will obviously adjust to whatever is happening economically. That will adjust your reimbursement. So those are just some really important things to be looking at when you're speaking with that insurance broker. So if you have any other questions about long-term care insurance or home care services like ours or our caregivers, are happy to come help you at home. Please look us up at homehelpershomecare.com/Alpharetta or give us a call, 770-681-0323. We are available 24/7.